Good morning, students. Students, today we will discuss about the second chapter of economics, class 10th, the sectors of Indian economy. Students, in our daily life, different type of activities are happening. These all activities are called economic activities. Now, what are economic activities? Students, the activities which are conducted with the objective of economic benefit to get money. All these activities are called economic activities. Students, these all activities are classified into three different sectors. What are these three different sectors? Let's see. Students, one by one we will discuss about the sectors of Indian economy. First is primary sector. Now what is primary sector? Students, when we produce a good by exploiting natural resources, for example wheat, dairy, cotton, minerals, all these activities come under primary sector. In primary sector we get the things from the nature directly. Most of the things in this sector we get from the agriculture. That's why this sector is also called agriculture sector. Students, the farmer grow the crops. Different types of crops are grown. For example, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, etc. So these all activities come under the primary sector or the first sector. Students, second sector is the secondary sector. This sector is related to the manufacturing, for example cloth from the cotton, etc. Students, in this sector most of the things are produced in the factories or industries. So this sector is also called industrial sector. Students, the farmers grow the crops and the crops are sold in the market. That which crop is sold by the farmer, that is then it is transformed in the consumer goods. For example, the cotton which is grown, it comes under the primary sector. It is taken to the secondary sector. With the help of the cotton, manufacturing work is done. What is done? Cloth is made with the cotton. Sugarcane is taken from the primary sector and it is then transformed into the sugar or jaggery. गुड़ बनाया जाता है, चीनी बनाई जाती है with the help of sugarcane. Students, now next sector is the tertiary sector. In tertiary sector, no goods are produced. Whether in this sector only the services are provided. For example, doctors, engineer, teacher, and transportation is also in the service sector. So students, these type of activities related to service happen in the tertiary sector. That's why it is also called the service sector. In tertiary sector, it is related to the service, banking, transportation, communication, and another things are also in the sector.